Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to our online class. I hope that you all are safe at home. Is it? Yes. So, shall we revise the lesson? Yes. Have you all completed the homeworks which I have given in the last classes? In the last class, we have completed the portion, that is book page number 51 to 55. We have revised this 5 pages. Okay. Also, the before class, we have completed that 7 questions. Then fill up, choose, match the following. That everything we have revised. Okay. Then today we can revise few portion, that is from exercise, and the portion that is page number 55, 56 and 57. Okay, we can revise this much portion today. Okay, yes. First we can we can revise the portion chemical equations. Okay. What is a chemical equation? A chemical equation is the shortened form of representing a chemical reaction using symbols and formulae. A chemical equation is the shortened form of representing a chemical reaction using symbols and formulae. To write that chemical equation, some steps we have, is it? First, identify the reactants and products of the chemical reaction. Then write the names of the reactants on the left hand side with a plus sign between them. Is it? Then write the names of the products in the right hand side with a plus sign between them. In between that reactant and the product, we want to draw an arrow. Is it? Then replace the names of the products and the reactants with symbols and formulae. This gives the chemical equation. Make sure that the number of atoms of each element on both sides is equal. Is it? So, this is called the balancing equation. This is called balancing equation. So, for example, x and y2, this both when they are reacting we'll get xy, is it? So x plus y2 gives xy, is it? Then we have to balance that equation and we'll get the equation as 2x plus y2 gives 2xy. Okay, so magnesium bonds in oxygen to form magnesium oxide. So how to write magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Okay, so magnesium plus oxygen, that is the reactants, and the product is magnesium oxide. So in between arrow should be there, is it? So magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide, sodium plus chlorine gives sodium chloride, aluminum plus chlorine gives aluminum chloride. Okay, so from the book also the questions will be there. So the pages we will send through the WhatsApp, so you want to read that. Okay, so yeah, for book back questions, everything you should know, thorough it. Okay, now represent the following using chemical symbols or formulae. This already I have given through WhatsApp. So your booklet, everything, it will be take that notes and learn. Okay, 2 atoms of the element neon. How to write the answer? 2 atoms of the element neon. 2 atoms of the element neon, that is the monatomic molecule, is it? So 2 atom, 2 Ne. Okay, and neon symbol is Ne. N should be capital letter, E should be small letter. Okay, subscript 1 monatomic molecule. So 1 into 2, 2. So here question is 2 atoms of the element neon, 2 Ne. A molecule of the compound carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, a molecule, CO2. Okay, a molecule of the element nitrogen, N2, diatomic molecule, N2. Okay, next 3 molecules of the compound water, 3 H2O. Water formula is H2O. 4 molecules of the compound magnesium oxide. Magnesium symbol is Mg, oxygen capital O. So 4 molecules, 4 MgO, 4 MgO. Okay. Then balance the following equation. What is the first equation given? H2O. Is it? H2 plus O2 gives H2O. See, H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Here, hydrogen in the left hand side 2 atoms, in the right hand side also 2. Is it? Oxygen is 2 and 1 is there, is it? So, we want to balance oxygen. While you balance this oxygen, there will be a change in the hydrogen also. So, you want to adjust that. So, what's the answer? 2H2O2 gives 2H2O. So, if you write that on the right hand side 2H2O, in the left hand side you will get O is 2, also H is 4, is it? Right hand side 4. That's what in the left hand side also you want to write 2 nearby H. So 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Next one, N2 plus H2 gives NH3. Answer is N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3, ammonia. Okay. Then KClO3 gives KCl plus O2. So balance it and get the answer. 2 KClO3 gives 2 KCl plus 3O2. Next. HCl plus MgOH twice, magnesium hydroxide, gives MgCl2 plus H2O. Here magnesium is 1 both sides, is it? Chlorine is 1 left hand side 1 and the right hand side is 2, is it? Then hydrogen both side right hand side 2, left hand side it is 3, is it? So we want to, oxygen is also in the left hand side 2, right hand side 1. So we want to balance both sides, is it? So we'll get the answer 2 HCl plus MgOH twice plus MgCl2 plus 2H2O. The next one, K, potassium plus H2O gives KOH, potassium hydroxide plus H2. So here also K is same in both sides. O, oxygen is also same, but hydrogen is the left hand side 2, right hand side 3 is there, is it? So we want to balance that both the side. So we'll get the answer at last, that is 2K plus 2H2O gives 2KOH plus H2. Okay. Then 10th one, complete the following word equations. Give their balanced chemical equations also. Magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. Is it? Then iron plus oxygen plus water gives, we all know, iron oxide. So Fe plus oxygen means O2, water is H2O, that gives Fe2O3, that is into X molecule H2O, is it? So Fe2O3 X H2O. Okay. So iron plus oxygen plus water gives iron oxide. Have you all understand this? Okay. So this all things you want to learn thoroughly. Okay, write and see. Okay, this balancing equation again and again you want to write and see in your rough note. Okay, then only you can able to write for the test also. Understand? So don't forget, again and again write and see. Okay? Yes. Write the chemical formula for the following. Okay, now we are going to write chemical formula. Okay, how to write the chemical formula? Few examples we can see. Okay, the first one is potassium chloride. Potassium chloride. Okay. For this, what's the symbol for potassium? K. Chlorine, Cl. Is it? Yes. Now, what's the valency? First, we want to write the symbol. First step, want to write the symbol. Next, we should write the valency. What's the valency for potassium? 1. Is it? So, write 1. Okay. Then, what's the valency for chlorine? That is also 1. Is it? So, valency over. Symbol first want to write, then valency want to write. Okay. Next, third step is we want to cross over that valencies. Okay. So, next for K is 1 and Cl is, for Cl is 1. So, this we want to write it their subscripts. So, K1, write K1, Cl1, is it? Cl1. Okay. So, we can divide this by 1 only, is it? So, we can remove this 1 and we can write simply KCl. So, this is the chemical formula for potassium chloride. Have you all understand? Yes. Next, second one is sodium oxide. Sodium oxide. Sodium oxide. Okay. Sodium oxide. Sodium symbol is Na, oxygen is O. Is it? What's the valency for sodium? That is 1. Is it? Oxygen is 2. Now next step we want to cross over. Na2O1. Is it? So we can write Na2O1. This both 2 and 1 we can divide only by 1. Is it? So we can write Na2O. This is the formula for sodium oxide. This is the formula for sodium oxide. Next about calcium chloride. What's the chemical formula for calcium chloride? Calcium symbol is Ca. Okay. Chloride, Cl. Okay. Now what's the next step? We want to write the valency. So Ca, that is, what's the valency for Ca? 2. Valency for Cl is 1. Is it? We want to cross over this 2. So, Ca1, Cl2. Ca1, Cl2. Okay. Now, divide this both number. Only we can divide by the common number, that is 1. Is it? So, the same number you will get. That's what we can write CaCl2. Don't want to write 1. We can, if there is no number, we can assume that is only one atom. Okay. So, CaCl2 is the chemical formula for calcium chloride. Okay. Next about H2O, water. Water we all know, H and hydrogen and oxygen is present. What's the valency for hydrogen? 1. Oxygen is 2. Cross over that both, we will get H2O1. Is it? So, H2O1. So, divide by 1. We can divide this both by 1. Is it? So, the same number you will get. So, we can write as H2O. This is the formula for water. Is it? Water. H2O. Have you all understand how to write the chemical formulas for the compound? Yes. So children, learn all this portion thoroughly and write the test well. Okay. So today we can finish this class. Thank you children. Thank you. Thank you all.